because there's a young man who Bill Crosby grew up with. His name is Lee Weaver, who is also an actor in Hollywood. Lee hated me. Lee hated me. He hated me with a passion because his wife, that you may have seen on Room 222, she is the manager of my office in LA, Tatanisha. Tatanisha came to me because she was a little overweight and she was feeling bad, wearing glasses, and her, instability with her menses, all that, right? Premenstrual syndrome and all that. She said, could I work part-time? I said, sure. But after she worked part-time, she liked it. She said, the job I had is running out, and I would like to work for you, Dr. Sebi. I said, well, that's fine. You got the job. Because she's good. Her husband said, you're stupid. You're working for that black man? He's not going to pay you. That nigga can pay you. You know how niggas are. He's not going to pay you. I said, Tata, how much would you like for me to pay you a month? She said, so much. I said, you got it. He still disbelieved his wife. He hated her because she's no longer a movie star. So, about 3 months ago, maybe 4 months ago, Lee is going to make a movie in Detroit. So the plane stopped in Chicago, and he's supposed to make transfer. But when he's at the airport, he started to bleed profusely. And the doctors couldn't stop his bleeding from his anus. They rushed him to the hospital. When they get him to the hospital, the bleeding continued. The doctor didn't know what to do. They called Tatanisha. I said, Tatanisha, take the compounds and go to Chicago. She flew. 1 hour after she gave her the compound, the bleeding stopped. And the doctor said, what did you give him? I gave him Dr. Sebi's iron tonic. When Lee came back, there's nobody he loved more than me. He bought me. But the reason why Lee took the position of disliking me, it wasn't that he hated me. Black people doesn't hate. We love the very white man that burned us. We fight for him. We know we love him too. That's in us. We love. So Lee didn't hate me, but the food that he'd been eating was undermining his thinking.